Hey guys, welcome aboard the MSC Grandiosa. This is Deck 8, room 8123. This is an Oceanview balcony room, and we're gonna show you exactly what this room looks like and what you get when you come into this room. So when you first come in, you do come into this very tight kind of hallway, narrow area. The bathroom is literally basically connected to your front door. So let me show you the bathroom right now. As you come into the bathroom, you actually have a really nice door that opens out and away from you and allows you to then come into the shower. The shower is kind of small, honestly. I'm 6 foot and you can see I'm pretty much maxed out in here, but it is nicer than the dual closing kind of old school showers that we're used to seeing on older cruise ships. You'll also see you get a towel rack, some shelving, and then your vanity here. There isn't much room on the vanity due to these cup holders here, so you are kind of limited in storage other than this. Coming out of the bathroom, you also have your thermostat here. You do need to put your key card in here for the lights and the AC to kick on in your room. You also have 3 different places to hang stuff right as you come in, and then shelving and your desk right here. Next is the closet area. The closet has sliding doors. One side is gonna show you your shelving. The top shelf goes all the way across. Then you have multiple shelves and then 3 drawers at the bottom. On the other sliding door, behind that is your hang-ups. So you do have 1 shelf down there so you can kind of stack your shoes. And then you have your hang-up area. Not the largest hang-up area, but it is plenty for a short cruise. Moving on from the closet, we get to the couch area. As you can see, our steward has already converted it before we came here to be a bed for our daughter. So this is what it would look like if you were sleeping 3 in this cabin. Across from the couch, we're gonna have our TV, some pocket shelving here, and then some corner storage. Then we're gonna move along. You'll have some drawers. You'll have a pull-out drawer in the center in front of your vanity mirror with your shelving. You also have 2 seats or footstools that you can use right here, right underneath the desk. And then finally, this is somewhat different than most cruise ships you'll be on, is the mini bar, and it's actually locked. So it's not just a cooler. You'd have to ask specifically to have that unlocked if you're planning on keeping stuff cold in your room. And then finally, we come to the bed area. It is your standard size bed. You do have nightstands on either side of the bed. However, there are no chargers next to the bed. So in this stateroom, the only place you have charging ports are right here and behind here. So you have the Euro charger ports on the left side of the mirror, your US charging ports and USB chargers on the right side of the mirror. Let's go check out the balcony. Okay, one of my favorite things about this stateroom is actually the balcony. It is huge. Like I said, I'm 6 foot, so maybe this is an 8 foot wingspan, and there's still another 4 feet going. This is a giant balcony that you get. And yes, it is listed as an obstructed balcony or partially obstructed, but it's not, because that's all below you. So unless you're trying to look straight down, you're gonna be just fine. This is an epic balcony that you can probably pick up cheaper than other balconies due to it being listed as partially obstructed. So unless you're sitting down, you're gonna be fine. Even sitting down, I'm looking over the top of the lifeboat, and the railing is really more of an obstruction than the lifeboat. For the price, this is such an epic balcony. You could easily have 6, 7, 8 people out here easily enjoying drinks, looking out at the stars, or whatever beautiful port you happen to be at that day. Well, that concludes the tour for room 8123 aboard the MSC Grandiosa. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel. As always, you can use the QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even aboard the MSC Grandiosa. We appreciate you guys, and we will see you on the next one.